On this trip, we're going to Rocky Mountain National Park. Wait till you see what happens. Rocky Mountain National Park was established in 1915 and is open 24/7. All right, we're here at Sprague Lake, Rocky Mountain National Park, but it's a beautiful day, weather's nice. Yeah, wait till you see what happens. Featuring Megan Ellis and Mom. Are you excited for going to the Rocky Mountain National Park?
Most certainly, and especially with my favorite people.
It felt like we had been driving for days. Finally, we arrived at Estes Park, and then we went to the Stanley Hotel, and oh boy, was it scary. Hey Mom, how was your experience at the Stanley Hotel?
Wow, I was so amazed and very impressed.
Were you scared? Did you get scared?
No, I couldn't find that ghost, and I looked.
I felt like I was pretty scared.
I found you.
That's right. And I was at the Stanley Hotel. Stay tuned for more. After visiting the Stanley Hotel, we headed over to Rocky Mountain National Park. The park features Trail Ridge Road, which is the highest continuous paved road in the United States. Look, there's a moose. You can always smell them before you see them. The park is abundant with wildlife like elk, moose, and bighorn sheep. Mountain National Park features 77 named peaks, and I'm going to go ahead and name them all, starting off with Long's Peak, which is 14,259 feet. I'll go ahead and say the other 76 later on. Look, there's Mom enjoying a hike. Finally, we arrived at Sprague Lake, which is named after Abner Sprague, who settled in the area in 1874. Abner later dammed up Glacier Creek to create this lake, Sprague Lake, as an added attraction for his Mountain Lodge Hotel. In 1932, the National Park Service purchased Sprague's property, granted the family 20 years to continue their operations. Abner Sprague was the very first person to pay for the entrance at Rocky Mountain National Park. In 1957, the lease expired for the Sprague Hotel, and it was torn down by the National Park Service. Lake out here in Rocky Mountain National Park.
This is the most beautiful day in record. It's the best day of our lives.
All right, I'm gonna go fishing, so
see you later.
All right, I've been climbing for days to see these mountains. Oh my goodness, holy crap! We're here at Bear Lake out here at Rocky Mountain National Park. It's a gorgeous day. Worth all the sweat hiking up these mountains. But hey, we're seeing lots of little creatures out here, but there are some mosquitoes out here, and I'm just trying to catch them all. I'm trying to catch them all and kill them all, but they're getting me good. But hey, come on. After visiting Sprague Lake, we're on to our next destination, Bear Lake.
This is for you, Mom. You shall not pass.
After having a snowball fight with my mom in May, we continued on our hike. Bear Lake has the elevation of 9,450 feet, with views of Hallett Peak and the Continental Divide. Parking often fills up fast at Bear Lake Road, so prepare ahead of time and have a timed entry. Thanks for watching, folks. I have a lot of fun making these videos, so go ahead and subscribe and like. We're here at Rocky Mountain National Park, and it's a freaking sweet day. I can just saw a bumblebee, so we're getting out of here.